Introducing My Dermafile. First step, cleanse face with a gentle cleansing gel. While the face is still wet, with a cleanser, gently polish with your Dermafile, making sure you keep the file flat against the skin using a circular or back and forth motion. Do not stay on any area for a long time. If your face starts to feel dry, rinse the Dermafile and keep it wet. You may polish your neck and chest area. Second step, rinse well. Third and final step, apply your soothing Dermafile Shea Butter Balm. Use the shea butter for the next couple of days as needed. You may go back to your regular skincare regimen by the third day. Monthly treatments with My Dermafile are recommended. With regular use, your skin will become noticeably clearer and smoother.